Hello everyone, I'm going to go over some microblading website design, some of the things we do, and how we can help you. So I'm just going to go through this quickly. First I'm going to go over who I am, how I am involved in the microblading industry. I'll go over the website design, domain, hosting, the design itself, what's included, what we add, and what our goal is when we build every website. And then I'll give you my contact information. There I am. My name is Carlos. I'm a Navy veteran for 15 years. I've been doing web design and SEO and internet marketing since 2012. I do own a spa alongside with my wife, and if you own a spa, you know how much work it is. So that's why I say I also own it, because I've been there from the beginning, from when we first started, and it's just I've always been involved, no matter what. If no matter how much I try to not be involved, it always comes back. Okay, so I consider myself a beauty industry online marketing specialist, and also with my team, this is how I've grown it. Everyone has come from a different industry, beauty industry, service. So it's a very unique team we have, and we've worked with massage therapists, nail salons, day spas, plastic surgery, waxing, medical spas, electrologists, hair salons, solo practitioners, whether it's estheticians, booth renters in the hair salon, everything. Um, Franchise, people that do eyelash extensions, permanent makeup, and of course, microblading, and that's why we're here. Um, how am I involved? Well, like I said, my wife owns a spa, and she's also a microblading artist. So I still order all her supplies, and I get her all her new clients, minus the referrals. Right? I get them through online marketing, and as of right now, I'm in the process of having creating a company that is basically just microblading supplies. So it's something that I'm gonna get involved even deeper. But right now, my main involvement is with my search engine optimization company, my web design, and all that. So the web design, I'll just go over a few things. So first, you need a domain name, and some of you might already know what it is. Some of you might just be new. So basically, your domain name is your website, right? www.wherever.com. Um, that's something that you should have on, that you should own, that you should have auto bill set up for it, so you never lose that. And then what you need is a hosting account. Hosting accounts range anywhere from $1 a month to or $12 a year to 150, just depends, right? A good range that you should be looking at, especially if you only have one website, would be about $50 a month. Okay, and the hosting is basically renting space inside a hard drive somewhere. Right, that's just the easiest way I can explain it. It's just basically where your website is physically. It can be in Phoenix, it can be in New York, it can be anywhere, right? I'll go over the design, what we include, and the goal when we build our websites. So we like to use WordPress. We just found this is the best for the services that we provide, especially with the online marketing. And we like WordPress because it's very current. There's always updates, and that's what we want. All our websites we create are responsive, and responsive basically is your website adjusts to the size of your screen. So if you're like on an iPhone versus an Android versus a tablet versus a desktop, it just adjusts to the size of your screen. Okay. We do include some themes. We do have quite a few themes, and those you can use. And typically, a theme can cost you anywhere from $19 to $100. or we can just create something custom on WordPress, and which is what I recommend, right? You want to have a unique look to your website, but it's really up to you. If you want it to look a certain way, then that's fine. We can work with that too. Just maybe change the colors and do a few things. We do the keyword research, right? We need to find out what people are searching for in your area, not necessarily what sounds nice and cute. So that's going to help a lot with the content creation and how we set up your website. We test your website. We also let you do the dry run, just test it out, see everything's working fine. And usually it takes us about 15 business days to get a website started from start to finish. So what we include, we include your home page and all the content on that page. About page, that's something that we ask you to give us, unless you have something online already. We can use that. Privacy page, terms of service, a contact page, which we include a contact form that goes directly to your email. Services page, right now we're doing 5 pages of that. And then if you have any working pictures like galleries before and afters, right, those are big, we'll include that. We can make a separate page, or just install it somewhere on your website. And if you need more services pages, then we can definitely add more. We just have to let us know. So all the content is SEO optimized, right? Like I said, we go and do our keyword research and see what people are searching for in your area. Optimize pictures, and that's including a few kind of sneaky things we do. I won't really get into it, but one of the things we do is optimize for speed. Some pictures can really slow down your website, and that's the last thing we want, right? We don't want people coming to your website and leaving because your website's slow to load. URLs, optimize the URLs, the title tags, the meta descriptions, and of course the speed of your website. We set up your email, so when people contact you there, it goes straight to your email that you want. We're always focused on the search engine optimization when we build a website. So SEO focused and the optimized website. If we need to find pictures, we will find pictures. For example, service pages. If you do a different service, we want to have some pictures there. And if you don't have them, we will go out and get those. And those are paid pictures. So you don't get charged more. That's already included. And we do have some premium plugins that we use with WordPress, and that can range anywhere from $19 to $150 worth of these premium plugins that if it wasn't for us, you would have to pay, and then I know are definitely going to help the overall theme or what we're trying to accomplish with your website. So it's important to have some of these things. And then we also do, like for example, one of the themes is a pop-up. This is a paid theme, so you can have it pop up at 45 seconds after the visitor, or when they go and decide to close, you can have a pop-up to either subscribe, and you can just capture their email, or you can even offer like a discount where they leave their name, their phone number, or anything like that. So it's really neat to do something like that. What we add, some of the things we add is Schema Markup. This is basically code that we insert into your website that tells Google all the information it needs. And since Google is a machine, it's a computer, it's basically computer language telling them everything about your business, and this is really helpful for SEO. Also, the XML Site Map, we tell the search engines, like for example Google, like, hey, this is a page on my website, now register it, make it go live. Something you have to do. We also install Google Analytics. This allows you to track traffic, to track where sources are coming from. If they're coming from Instagram, if they're coming from Yelp, if they're coming from the mobile version of Yelp, right? It is important to know this, especially when you start to run a campaign, or to just basically track your traffic and see if what you're doing, or we're doing, if that's something that we do for you, like an SEO campaign, is working. Also, for that, I will need access to your Gmail account and passwords and all that, so I can set it up. And then also Google Search Console code, something similar to the Google Analytics. It just allows you to, for example, look at certain things like search what people search for when they found you, how many clicks, and also allows you to check if there's any errors. So it's important to have this. Facebook Pixel is something that we definitely want to install for you, but we would need access to your Facebook account. And with this, it allows you to run certain ads, because you'll be able to see, okay, what pages that people go to, so eventually when you start generating traffic, is you can go and target these specific people that went to specific pages with specific ads. So it's super awesome to have that. So what we try to do is tell your story, right? We highlight your services, and we inform the visitor, or we try to educate them, right? So someone's looking for microblading, what is it? We try to answer all their questions in the content that we create. We try to make it super easy to navigate. We don't want people to be all over the place. We want to make it very easy for it to navigate, whether they come on a desktop, whether they come on a cell phone, right? Have it all nice and laid out for them. Also, we try to make it easy to find your address and your phone number on your website. There's a lot of websites I've been to, and I can't even find their address. I can't even find their phone number. And believe me, when we make websites, that is a top priority for us, because like I said, we are very focused on SEO, since we are an SEO company. That's one of the big things we want. We want people to convert. I want people to call you. I want them to email you. I want them to book online. And the way we build our websites, that is something that we take into consideration. And that's all I really want. When people come to your website, I want them to read, they understand what they're doing or what they're going to get done, and then to contact you. That's it. So give us a call, 619-315-8307. Again, my name is Carlos. Pick up the phone, give us a call. The number is there. Or you can also send us an email, info@topranksolutions.org. You can set up a time to talk. Just let me know. We're pretty flexible here. Since we do work with a lot of people in the beauty industry, I know how it is. They don't get out till late, right? I see that at home too. So topranksolutions.org is our website, and if you want to know more about our microblading search engine optimization, you can go to toprankssolutions/microblading SEO marketing, or you can just type in Google microblading SEO and you'll see our website. So if you want to get a quote for your microblading website, or a redesign, or it's brand new, pick up the phone, give us a call, 619-315-8307, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.